So I'm looking bummy right now. This is what we call in the industry short notice recording. Run into this M. Get all these Michael missions out the way. Get some Franklin and Trevor back in the mix. This is a nice setup for
What is wrong with you smoking in my house? You know, ever since that psychotic pal of yours turned up, you've turned into an even bigger asshole.
Thank you. Your support in my difficult times means the world to me.
I've supported you. I left everything to come here with you, and still, that crazy bastard turns up.
I'll handle it.
How?
I don't know.
Oh, you know what? Just keep him away from me and the children, you low-life, whoremongering asswipe.
Did someone say yoga?
No, I think she said whoremongering asswipe.
Hello, Fabian, darling.
Namaste, Amanda. Are we ready to practice?
Yes.
Oh, yeah, she's very centered. A regular oasis of peace and tranquility, this
with
one.
Anger issues and worse friends. No wonder I'm so upset.
You too, please. Namaste. We practice. Miguel, join us, please.
No, please, no.
No,
No.
the yoga is for sharing. Come, Miguel, come.
Awesome. So, Fab, if you can make me as happy and mellow as my wife, it'll be a job well fucking done.
We are all on our own journeys, Miguel.
Yeah, no doubts. Why is she driving a tank on hers?
Perhaps to deal with your hostility, Michael. Now here is good. We have the sun and the moribunda.
What?
The asshole.
Whoa.
Now we begin and put the asshole to the earth.
Excuse me?
Yes, we begin each sequence. Katasana.
English, please.
Or mountain pose.
Thank you.
All right.
Un, deux.
Like, favorite, subscribe, share. I'm gonna say this every time until we start growing, man. I'm tired of this slow development. I mean, I know you gotta start somewhere, but this is a full-fledged website right now.
It is perfect. Now, Michael.
Is this mission just me doing yoga?
I don't know about this.
Alright.
In through the bloated nose and out through those wrinkled lips.
Let it go. Isn't
Let
that
it
far better
go.
than booze and
Let
nicotine?
it go.
In the nose, out the mouth. Okay, doc?
Let it go.
Strength
Let it
make
go.
you. Air through the nose and out the mouth.
Wow.
I'm appealing to a
Michael,
white girl
I never
demographic.
thought I'd see the day.
Yoga and Frozen songs.
It's gonna have to do.
Now we will do something more complicated. Sometimes, when I do this pose, I weep uncontrollably for hours.
What? Everything in this game is larger than life, and it's amazing.
Oh, wow.
You feel that? The emotion inside. Let it go. Michael, join us.
Excuse me. She got full makeup on for yoga.
I feel like I'm channeling bullshit right now.
Very good. Now let it go.
There! Let it go!
It's amazing that they can hold that
Now
position
think
just
of
like...
all the strippers who've been over to pick up
Wait.
your dollar bills.
The silly man forgets to breathe.
Out through the mouth.
Tight! Tighter!
There we
Now.
go, Mikey.
You breathe.
Let it out, baby.
I want
it tight.
to know what happens if I
I'm
hold my
about to
breath
feel some
forever.
emotions, all right.
Remember, children, do not fear the unknown. We are the unknown. Show us, Amanda.
Are we done now?
I don't think Michael's up to this.
He may surprise you. Plank.
Plank?
Chaturanga.
Chata. Yeah.
Why can't they just say
Beautiful.
downward dog?
Everything is
that's
flowing
downward
in
dog.
me.
That's about all I know.
Mike, would you?
Put the lunar to the face. Breathing is almost the most important thing, no?
No, honey,
Let it out. You're turning red.
I wrote it as a
If
honey
it's too
nut
much, just go into
businessman.
child's pose.
Breathe, please, Michael.
Living truth from the booth. Play on what you gonna do. Throw it up.
No vanity.
Them
Come on.
taxes, baby. And the celebrating when jack off in the
Taking the
bathtub.
air, and
I'm all
release it.
done. Federal, local, and
Just
state.
exhale,
Bad
Michael.
refund coming my
Good.
way. And yo, run, jack
Your
off.
lungs, they
Oh,
work, yes?
we didn't rub it. They're coming in and shoot it in my face. Oh. I can't.
Tell me you don't feel
or sing
centered.
that song without rapping, without laughing. I
Breathing
can't
is almost
speak
the most
apparently without
important
messing up.
thing, no?
So there's that.
Let it go.
Your inner eye.
Your third eye.
Breathe, please, Michael.
Oh my gosh.
For a meat eater, it's okay. Take in the air and release it.
Very
I'm ready
good.
to
Now
finish
let
now,
it go.
Bruh.
You have come a long way today, Mikael. Yes, later you will cry like a baby.
Yeah, right.
His chakras are completely blocked. Don't worry about
Show
him.
me the downward dog. I'm glad we have helped with your impotence, Mikael.
What'd you say?
Your sexual energies have been blocked for too long. Back into my pelvis. Back.
What?
Back. Yes, there.
Bruh.
you go.
Oh,
It's very-
oh!
Bruh.
All right, enough of that shit! Ah!
Oh man. Made you look like a
Yoga
fully
is the
owned
answer,
house.
Mikael. But what is the question?
Why am I such a moron?
We are leaving and we are never coming back.
Good!
You are alone, you pathetic psychopath.
Fuck you! And that phony French fucking yogi! Ah!
Yogi Bear. Let's go to a picnic table. Why am I going to Jimmy's room?
Jimmy, you still here?
Where's the upstairs? Okay.
James!
Go away! Oh yeah, fuck you. You know what? If there was a rape button, I'd be using it right now. Unless you're a faggot and you like that sort of shit.
Oh
and
my
then
God.
I'll just rape your mom instead.
Oh my god.
Nice TV. Did I pay for that?
Yeah, you smashed the other one, didn't you?
All right, come on. I want to go for a ride.
I gotta meet a friend.
All right, so I'll go meet him with you. Come on, I want to get out of the house. I'm not going alone.
Come on. This is fucking bullshit.
Wow.
Bullshit? Threatening to molest your online buddies is bullshit.
They're not my buddies.
They're the only people you speak to.
Yeet. Oh, I'm tired of this car. I got a base car for a reason.
So where's your friend?
Burger shot.
He says burger shot. Oh, there's my car. All messed up in its glory. It says burger shot. Look, there's only one in the city.
Yeah, nice to see the kids are still hanging out at the burger joints. Me and the guys, we'd go down to the diner after class every day. You know, get milkshakes, fries.
Ew, please. You know, you're really creeping me out.
Bro, that
I'm
sounds
trying
like a
to
good time.
relate to you.
No, you're
I wish I
trying to
was
take
white
me
in
on
the
some
50s.
nostalgia trip. You're such a cliche.
Oh, says the dope-smoking, game-playing, live-at-home world owes him a living millennial.
I knew it. I knew it. The mask was gonna slip. The monster's been exposed.
The hell are you talking about?
The real you. That bitter, vindictive old man. You pretend you're being a father, but you hate me, don't you?
I don't hate you, Jim. How many times... I love you. Look, I'm sorry if I don't express that correctly. But why do you think we're here together?
Because you're scared shitless of being alone?
Oh, now you're an armchair psychologist, just like the rest of this city.
That's how we do it.
You really have to meet my friend?
We crash in the drive-thrus.
There he is, the friendly neighborhood drug dealer. Yo, brother man, what's up?
He trapping out the burger shot though?
Pay for this shit, huh? Hey, who's the old man?
It's my dad.
Oh, all right, Mr. DeSanto.
Yeah, you the kid selling Jimmy pot by the pound?
Ah, Jimmy, bro, your dad's funny, man.
Come on, do this shit and let's get going.
Oh, yeah, you got that other thing?
Oh, yeah. Come on, man, what the fuck? Jimmy!
Just hold on a second. Oh, all right, later on.
Careful with that.
Hey, let's bounce.
Bounce. We're bouncing now. Is that what we're doing? Jesus fucking Christ.
Oh, wrong turn way. What now?
Alrighty then. Now what?
Okay.
Can we just
that's
get
my
back to
question.
the house, please?
I feel like people about to shoot us. I don't want to go through that with Jimmy. He's a little pussy.
So, want a drink?
I'm driving.
Because normally you're such a between the white lines, friend to the pedestrian kind of guy.
Fine. Give it here.
Oh, he's about to send me on a trip.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Maybe when we get home.
Ah, who's the square now?
Oh my God, it's really hard to control now.
I'm starting to feel a little woozy. You're fine.
Oh my gosh.
Really? This is not normal.
Chill out.
You're just paranoid. This is not paranoia.
This is
totally
terribly hard to
just
control. I'm
like
proud of
you
myself for
should
doing what I
see
did.
yourself. Whoa.
Oh my God, I haven't hit anything.
The size of a Ferris wheel.
Oh, we just stop on my perfect driving
I
record.
gotta stop.
Oh, what was in that? It's harmless. Vets have been using it for decades.
What? You anesthetize me? You
I'm
fucking
protecting
shit?
you from yourself. Also, I took money from your bank account and I'm moving out.
What? You're too crazy, Dad. Daddy!
What? What? Take money from my bank account? Oh, who's dragging me? What? I'm confused. Oh. This looks like the start to that Uncharted 4 trailer. Oh, now I see monkeys. Now I see a spaceship. Now I'm being dragged up by a tractor beam. What kind of... Did he have him on some really strong codeine? I'm so confused. What just happened? Why is it Michael always going on these trips, bruh? Why not Trevor when he's off math or whatever? Alright, music is fun.
What do you want, Michael?
I always thought I was
I want to fall faster, so I'm gonna do this. I want to like splat.
I got in a bit of an awkward situation.
Oh. Okay. Oh, who took my clothes? And I'm barfing.
Jimmy, you little shit.
Alright, where's my car? Oh yeah, Jimmy took it. I don't really want to take a bike. Okay. I will take your little convertible. To go to my house that's a walking distance away. The cops will never get me. And there's my pink car still outside. Run as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm a naked old man.
Hello? I'm back! Michael, I think you finally lost your mind. Your recent behavior and the company you've been keeping already had me very concerned. Now you've taken to attacking my Fabian, who is a close friend, and then Jimmy said you took drugs while driving him in your car. We've decided to move out for a while. You promised me you'd change, and you haven't changed a bit. I know you say I always act like I'm in a movie. Well, this isn't that. I think I'm gonna speak to a lawyer. I'm just really confused. Please don't try to contact us and try not to get yourself killed. Amanda. Fuck.
That's just how it goes, huh? Alright. This score is pretty good. $3,000. You're telling me it took $3,000 for Jimmy to move out? I would have given that to him if he just asked. Alright, fady.